and welcome back to this week's video. I'm Kate.
And I'm Becca, and today we're going to be talking about life online, not just social media, but a bit of everything. So let's get into it. It was great finally catching up in person.
Oh, I know, right? It has been way too long.
I guess I'll probably see you tomorrow now then.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, but we'll probably speak to you later tonight or DM you or something.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, take care. Bye. See that new girl's haircut at school? Pretty questionable choice.
Oh, I didn't. Can you send me a picture?
Yeah, of course I can. She posted a selfie on Instagram. I'll screenshot it. 1 second.
Oh. That is a haircut.
I know, right? We should probably let her know how awful it looks.
Yeah, I'll definitely drop a comment on her Instagram. She should probably know.
Sounds a good idea.
The whole point of that sketch was to show you that sometimes the way that we talk to people in person and the way that we talk about them or talk to them online can be really different. For instance, take that example of someone with a bit of a questionable haircut. If you don't like someone's haircut at school, we're not saying you have to go up to them and tell them how amazing it is, but actually by posting a negative comment on their post online, that can be exactly like standing up in front of the whole school and assembly and telling them how much you dislike their haircut. Now, none of us would do that in person in, I guess, real life, so why would we do it online? Sometimes when we talk to someone in person or if we talk to them online, it can look really different, and that can be in a good way or it can be in a bad way. Sometimes we forget when we comment on someone's post or we send them a text message or a direct message. It's just like saying what we've written to that person in person. Whether you're talking to a friend or someone you've never met before, when we talk to them online, it's important to remember that they're a human being and they have emotions. When it's online, the only difference is we can't see how they might react.
There is a letter in the Bible which is written by a guy called Paul, and this letter is written for all of the churches in Ephesus. And Paul gives them this advice: do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen. Basically, what Paul is saying here is that is it going to build them up and encourage them, or is it going to do the opposite and knock them down and make them feel a little bit rubbish about themselves? Always question whatever you're going to type or say something in person, what it's going to do.
So our challenge to you this week just takes a second. If you're about to send a message, post something online, share a picture, stop, think. Is this something that's going to be helpful, encouraging to the people around you, or is it going to be the opposite?
So often we write half a message and realise it's actually the wrong thing to say. So maybe we should pause and think, can stop someone getting a message that you never actually really wanted to send in the first place. Thank you so much for watching this week, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video.